Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix black screen after champion select in League of Legends. Let's dive in. First of all, close League of Legends completely, including the client. Open your task manager by pressing Ctrl Shift ESC and make sure no league processes are running. Next, let's reset some game settings. Open File Explorer and navigate to the Riot Games folder. Then select Riot Games and then League of Legends. Find the config folder and delete it. Don't worry, this will reset your settings but won't affect your account or progress. Still having issues? Update your graphics drivers. Head to your GPUs and GPU's website like Nvidia or AMD and download the latest drivers for your card. If the problem persists, open the League client, go to settings and click initiate full repair. This will fix any corrupted files. And that's it. With these steps, you should be back in the game in no time if helped. If this helped, like and subscribe for more league tips. Thanks for watching.